Everybody out. Great job. So, can anybody look up...
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Slateport. Can somebody
Order filled.
Okay, so I got the second batch. All right, we got chirp, 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 chirp. I ain't taking this one. I ain't taking it. Not taking it. I need a bigger. I need a bigums. I need it to be bigger than that. Pending home sales in 2 minutes. Orange folder. Yeah, we don't care about orange folders. I need a bigger one. Okay. SPX guys, on the menu, 24 seconds. Do not risk an arm and a leg on this. This is a normie. Possible US 30 as well too, but this thing can go higher, guys. So I'm not gonna go full. 12 seconds. SPX and US 30. Boom, boom, boom. What are you talking about? Green background. All right, guys, I'm selling both.
Order filled.
First target's green. We're almost at first target. Here we go. Guys, get ready. Start pulling in a minute. First target on SPX has been hit. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure you guys' fingers on exits. Bro said green background. You must be new here.
Order filled.
All right, we got pullback. Do not risk an arm and a leg on these guys. We got a nice little pullback. Shout out to those of you guys that are up on your pullbacks. Make sure you guys, this is a counter trend. Why would it be the same rules if this then it would be the same product? But if you want to take over, you can take over. I mean, you don't want to
order submitted.
Full target on SPX, out on SPX. Forgot. Yeah, I forgot. You're the one that created it. I haven't been doing this for a whole year in front of everybody. You're right. Full target on SPX, out on SPX. Yeah, sometimes, Philip, I forget, like y'all the ones that made this. Like, Philip, I be forgetting sometimes, man. Make sure you guys are out on SPX, not to play around. We got 3 more candles. It's your first check. We'll know in the next couple candles. Everybody should be in profit or breaking.
Order submitted.
If you guys got top positions, you're doing better. Let's get the first target. Everybody should be pushing profits.
Order filled.
Do not over on this one. This is not the play to go over leverage, guys. SPX, you guys are done on SPX. Everybody's in profit on. There we go. Almost there. About halfway there. Get ready for full. Get ready. Everybody should be in profit. So I got to figure out what to do next on this, guys. I'm in Slateport City, guys. All right, Slateport City. There's no gym here, but there's Team Magma. All right, Team Magma. Everybody should be still in profit, pushing. Guys, finger on the button for exit. Here we go.
Order submitted.
Out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Great job. So, can anybody look up...
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Slateport. Can somebody
Order filled.
Okay, so I got the second batch. All right, I got the freaking second batch. Full out on everybody. I got the second batch. Okay, so I'm trying to get past Team Magma. What do I do? Can somebody help me? What do I do? Dang, Michelle, I make you some money and you can't even help me with this. You gotta go? God. Michelle don't love me, guys. Hey, L's in the chat for Michelle. L's in the chats. Dang, she make her money and she literally just dropped the money on the dresser like I'm just one of those type of chicks. Guess what? There's more to me than my body, Michelle. Clutch pearls. I am not that chick. All right, Michelle, you have a great day, okay? All right, guys, how much did you guys grab? I know she went straight to back to mom mode. No, I'm proud of her. She's doing great. Love you too. She put the 40 on the dresser. Was like, I'm out. In the chats, how much you guys grab?
Get to Vector Games. You're gonna click on this link here to join the Discord. Click on join Discord, and then get the sci-fi trading strategies here. The virtual assistants here. If you need a Forex broker, this is the broker. If you need a prop firm trader, this one right here, you get 50% off up to 90% off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment or any questions below.